Well, we got a fun day planned. We got the drone out. We got the Airsoft sentry out. We're going to be blasting away with this thing. Instead of just doing the Airsoft, though, we are going to be doing some armor testing with a few different caliber rifles against the armor of this thing. Then we're going to be strapping the guns onto the side of this thing and testing its response to recoil. So stay tuned, watch the full video. It's going to be an awesome day. Got a nice big backstop. Imagine this is like a really cool cinematic drone shot. Hey, I need a cinematographer and a drone photographer. I suck at it. First caliber we got is the 9mm, and that is on the long center of axis. Let me show you how that works real quick. All right, chamber's empty. Nothing in there. What we got here is there is a side where the center of fire is going to be much further from the axis of rotation. So this side is meant for high recoil. This side is meant for light recoil. Okay, we got 300 blackout. About a little 308. Let's check the recoil of an Airsoft. Wow, this thing cannot handle it.
All right, that's enough shooting. Let's get
Whoa,
We're at 32.1 yards.
First up is the 9mm. Barely phases it. Yeah, I had to record my laptop for this video because I'm lazy, but this is the SKS, whatever commie caliber that is. Honestly, I really love my SKS. It always works. So just hitting it here. It is not powered, so it's rotating. I'm trying to rotate it back by hitting the right, but it's open sights and I'm not very good at shooting. Alright, here we got the 5.56, and you notice the turret is rotating a little bit more. I really just not taking my time with these shots. I probably could have tried to rotate it back. Really, I should have powered this, but I had 1/2 of a day to do all this, so excuses, blah, blah, blah. Now this is 308. At this point, the turret is pretty severely rotated relative to the shooting position, so I'm hitting these at maybe a 30-degree angle. Watch a piece flies off of the armor. Boom! Piece flies off the side. Boom! That piece on the left just goes shooting off. That 308 is hitting fucking hard.
I love it. Need to improve the armor, but this is so cool to watch.
Oh, wow. Look at this damage. It blew that 1/8 inch angle iron right off of there. Most of it is loose. Holy crap. Dang. You might need some 1/4 inch angle iron. I wonder how much of that was because this thing started rotating because it's unpowered. And those shots hit and slid off to the side. Wowzers. All right, let's hit this thing with the 45 and then start tearing it down. See what happened in there. You gotta get out the big guns. My God, the horror. This shielding that was supposed to stop the fragmentation just got beat to shit. Here's a piece of that shielding. Damn, just got ripped right through. Very cool. Yeah, nothing got through there, so that's good. But let's take off this anti-spalling and take a look at the armor. Oh yeah, that's the carnage we're looking for. But this 3 ace, there's, you know, little dents, little just pock marks. Well, good day of shooting, all packed up. You know, this might seem a little crazy doing all this stuff, but this is the last free country on the planet. If we don't do it, no one will. So, here's the real moment of truth out here in the middle of nowhere. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah. It's gonna be a good day, folks. Thanks for watching.